So we got another perverted chiro over here, just trying to cop a feel. He's trying to crack the breast tissue, literally not doing anything at all. Like the only thing that's getting adjusted here is probably the chiro's hard-on in his pants. Holy shit! This is like some WWE move. Wow.
Ok, Gianni, inspira.
Oh my god, another perverted chiro. Here we go again. So this pervert here claims to be releasing chest knots. The hand placement, the technique, it's not doing anything. Next video, please.
Ordila. Ordila.
What the hell? That is disturbing and disgusting. I hope this lady poos on his finger, because that's the only thing this man deserves. This is BS. Okay, you can't actually move your tailbone out of place unless it's clearly broken, right? Your coccyx doesn't move at all, so you can't adjust it. And this dude is just having his fun and sticking his fingers up this lady's bum hole.
Yeah, I'm ready. Okay. 3, 2, breathe out. Yeah.
This kind of shit gotta stop. Since when was it okay to meet a stranger in the bathroom and just get them to crack your back? This manipulation isn't doing anything. This young girl is better off doing some active mobility, like some thoracic range of motion, some rolling, you know, cat camel. This crack is literally just a party trick. It's not doing anything at all. Oh my god! Oh!
Stop it, please. Stop.
So in Chinese, he's saying, "Dad, it really hurts," and the dad clearly just says like, "Shut the hell up," and smothers him with his t-shirt. I think this type of treatment is probably causing more psychological damage than it is causing physical benefit. And let's be honest here, you can't fix misaligned hips and just doing some passive techniques like this. If you really do have a functional hip shift, you really got to be doing some glute strengthening exercises, core strengthening exercises, corrective active training in the gym.